In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old emails in Gmail. If you've ever needed to track down an older message and felt overwhelmed by thousands of emails in your inbox, Gmail's search tools can make the process much easier. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can narrow your search using specific filters to quickly find the email you need. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're on the main Gmail screen where you can see your messages and the search bar at the top. This is where all of Gmail's search features begin. Next, click into the search bar. On its own, the search bar lets you type in keywords, names, or subjects, but for older emails, using advanced filters is usually much more effective. After that, click on the filter icon in the search bar. This opens Gmail's advanced search window, which gives you several fields you can use to refine your search. This is the key step if you want to find an older email without guessing too much. In the filter window, begin filling in any details you remember about the email. If you know who sent it, type that into the from field. If you know who received it, use the to field. If you remember part of the subject line, enter it in the subject field. You can also type words or phrases you remember from the message itself into the has the words field. If there are certain words you know were not in the email, use the doesn't have field to exclude results. This can be especially helpful when similar emails keep appearing in your search. You can also filter by message size, choosing whether the email was greater than or less than a certain size in megabytes. This is useful if you're trying to locate emails with large attachments or, on the other hand, smaller text-based messages. For older emails, the date filter is one of the most important tools. Set the date or range that matches when you think the email was sent or received. Even an approximate time frame can dramatically reduce the number of results. Then choose where you want Gmail to search. You can search across all mail, or narrow it to a specific area such as inbox, starred, sent mail, or drafts. Selecting the right location helps keep your results more relevant once all your filters are in place. Click search in the bottom right corner of the window. Gmail will then show the emails that match your criteria. If you don't find the message right away, adjust one or two filters and try again. A broader search can help if your first attempt was too specific. With a little practice, this method makes finding old emails in Gmail much faster and far less frustrating.